Jimmy, I'm running the numbers. We're gonna need a roommate if we're gonna be able to pay the bills.
Roommate? How are we gonna find someone else to live with us?
Anybody would live with us. We'll just put up an ad on Craigslist.
Craigslist? There's only like freaks and homos and transsexuals and weird things like that on Craigslist.
No, I'm sure we can find someone.
I am here about a room to rent. You may call me Roomba.
Hey, Roomba.
Can I come in? I brought my stuff with me. I packed right. Let me in.
Can you wait here for a second?
Roomba will wait right here.
Hey, somebody came about the room.
Yeah?
Says his name's Roomba. I think he's from Kenya. What happened? Where's all the beer?
Hey, you guys, we should throw a party. We can invite lots of bitches and consume illegal substances. Roomba never gets respect. Roomba never gets any privacy. Room is spinning, but room always spins for Roomba. Fuck you guys, I am out of here.